Just when you thought it was safe to go back in the water, it's returned to Rabbiton. Yeah, we're back at Rabbiton. It's Wednesday, so there's like nobody here. Unfortunately, there's a weed whacker in the background. But this is Rabbiton. This is a learning site for agriculture. It's a working farm. We've been here before. We really like it. It's up in Pamplona. It's about an hour and 45 minutes from Dumaguete. I was averaging about 15.9 kilometers per liter, so that wasn't too bad. Because as in everywhere else in the world, the price of gasoline has gone up. Right now it's about 80 pesos per liter, which comes out to about $6 per gallon for diesel. But enough of that, let's go check out Rabbiton. 36.7. Mayang uto, sir. I got my Rabbiton stamp. Wife's got her Rabbiton stamp.
Zoe!
We're all getting our stamps.
Zoe!
Get your stamp. There we go. Yay! Got two! Yay!
1 year pala.
What do you think, Zoe? Pretty cool? Yeah. So this is like the third time we've been to Rabbiton. And like I said earlier, it's a working farm. A lot of the eggs that you get in Dumaguete are actually from here, believe it or not, because a lot of the egg laying places are actually out of sight. This is Chickaton. We'll come back to this, but Zoe really wants to go see the bunnies, so we're gonna go down to Rabbiton. There's also Sheepaton. I guess there's a new, oh, here's the Rabbiton Shire. This is supposed to be designed after the Hobbit type stuff in New Zealand.
Zoe!
I guess we'll go check that out.
Zoe, let's go in.
Well, everybody else seems to be going the other way. Let's check out the Shire. So this is something new to put up. Also, I guess the sheep are new. We haven't seen the sheep yet. But we're gonna check that out. Oh, the bunnies. They made little Hobbiton for the bunnies. That's very cool. And we got a couple little bunnies here. Ah. Yeah, and you can see where they transplanted the grass. I'm actually doing this at the house we're renting now. I'm slowly transplanting the grass over to that. And you can actually see I'm still wearing my bunny ears. Still wearing my bunny ears. And the family's slowly coming up. Oh, we went by another bunny. Damn. Hold on, I gotta get the bunny footage.
Oh, there's more there. There's more over there, Zoe. Daddy, the rabbit run.
The rabbit run? Because you're annoying. Get that from your mommy.
No.
Went over there.
Let's go up. Let's find.
That's one of those white rabbits with the evil red eyes. There's actually gates here where you can go in.
Gate for small people.
There you go. Small person gate.
Is there a rabbit?
Oh. That rabbit wants nothing to do with you.
Zoe, oh.
Look, Zoe. Zoe's looking at the screen.
Aww.
Hey.
That's really like this.
Aww.
Wow. Say I love you to the rabbit. Love you. Hey.
Yeah,
she's showing
she's
it.
showing her hand to the rabbit.
Yeah.
And there's another rabbit. He's kind of filthy. This guy's filthy
Yeah.
because he's been lying in his own poop. They didn't put any type of screen on the bottom for the poop.
She's talking to the rabbit.
And Zoe is talking, communicating with the rabbit.
Oh, love rabbit. Say bye to the rabbit.
Ah, so this is nice.
Maybe there's more honey they want to.
And there's another one down here. And there's another one here. It looks like there's something else they're making down there. Yeah, they're actually monoing the concrete down there on the display. Whoosh!
There's another rabbit over there.
Yeah, there's Chickaton over there. And there's a bunch of peafowl. There's a lot of peafowl over there they got now. So they did a really nice job with this, putting the little Shire thing together. And you can tell it's freshly put together because the grass hasn't completely bonded yet. But this is like an oversight of the areas. The restaurant area is up there. The bunny area, Rabbiton proper, is down there. This is the Rabbiton Shire we're at. You can see the bunnies down there. And then over yonder is where they breed them. They have a lot of bunnies over there. We'll check it out. There's also a pigaton with a bunch of pigs, giant breeder sows. We'll go check that out. The rabbit kicked the poop at Zoe. But yeah, they did a really nice job with this. This is cool. And again, all the grass is growing in. And there's some more bunnies over here. This is the best bunny area. These are the cutest bunnies. I like this. And again, all this stuff that you see, like this tree limb and all that stuff and the tree trunk over there, that's all fabricated out of concrete. Because Filipinos can take concrete and make anything. Uh-oh, we got a little bit of drama. We got an awai over here. Nice. He's shooting the poop at you, Zoe.
Yeah. The rabbit's kicking their poop.
That's not cool.
Zoe.
Not cool, man. Smile. Say hi.
Show me your teeth. Show me your teeth.
Smile.
Oh.
Don't fall off.
Be careful.
She's spacing out. All right, they're doing a construction on one of the little Shire exhibits here at Rabbiton, and they're using clay, handmade clay, to pop that in. Huh. You never know what you're gonna see, no matter what day of the week. They're doing some welding down here. He's actually got welding goggles, which is pretty impressive to see in the Philippines. Usually they just use sunglasses. And they wonder why they all go blind at an early age. Woo! Yeah, I know I'm repeating myself, but they did a really nice job with this. That's nice. Hey, come here, buddy.
She wants to eat my
shoelaces. Oh, jeez.
Ow.
Very aggressive. Ow, oh, jeez.
Maybe don't touch him.
It's got the evil red eyes.
Here. Oh, baby.
Oh, that's a nice piece. Yeah.
No, you don't want it. What do you want? Shoelace. I want
Shoelaces. Ah! Ah! It's very aggressive. It's a killer rabbit. Do not come to Rabbiton. Do not come to Rabbiton. If anybody sees this tape, please publish it. Stop! Ah! 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 Ah!
I get tired of chasing
you. So this used to be a field where they used to grow these berry things that tasted like cranberry, but now it's just a bunny area. You can see they got like little shelters for them they're putting in with the pipe. So basically it's like free range rabbits. It's pretty nice.
Adobo, this stuff's really good for all. See you next time.
A little bit, we're gonna go into that area right there, which is the breeding area, which are definitely not free range bunny rabbits. They are imprisoned. They are incarcerated. And yes, I'm still wearing my bunny ears.
Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.